Hey there, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you everything you can do with your Hyundai key fob, which includes doing that. So it's important to note that this key fob is for a 2022 Hyundai Sonata Limited, which features the remote smart parking assist. Now this feature is in addition to the normal features found on many key fobs these days, including most Hyundai models such as lock, unlock, panic, remote start, and trunk buttons. So to quickly cover the basics, this key fob can lock the vehicle. Now this can also be done from each of the front two door handles. There's a small touch-sensitive detent on each handle. You can go ahead and press that once. The vehicle will beep once, and that indicates the vehicle is locked. Now, of course, the key fob can unlock the vehicle. Now this can also be done directly from the two front door handles. You can simply reach behind the door handle and there's a touch-sensitive pad that will unlock the vehicle. Now the remote also has a panic button that you can hold for a few seconds that will sound the horn and flash the lights in case you would like to do so. Now the remote also features a trunk release button that you can hold down, and this will open the trunk from within a certain distance of the vehicle. Now, being a proximity key and having the smart trunk features, there are also a couple different ways you can access the trunk. One of these is the smart trunk feature that enables the vehicle to sense the proximity key approaching from behind. So when the vehicle is locked and you approach it from behind, the vehicle will beep a couple times, and after a few seconds will open the trunk. Now this feature is great because it is a hands-free process, so if you are loading items into the trunk and do not have a hand available, this will automatically open the trunk for ease of access. Now another way to access the trunk is the little button hidden in the Hyundai emblem on the back side of the trunk. Now this requires the vehicle to be unlocked or have the proximity key on your person. Go ahead and press that and it will also release the trunk. Lastly, there is a button on the left side of the driver that can also release the trunk from the inside. So to remote start the vehicle from the key fob, you first lock the vehicle by pressing the lock button and then hold the key fob remote start button down for 3 to 5 seconds or until the lights flash and the vehicle turns on. And this allows you to preheat or pre-cool the vehicle depending on the season and the temperature. And it's a nice handy feature so you don't have to access your BlueLink app to remote start the vehicle. And lastly, we have the sort of party trick or the remote smart parking assist. Now this can be accessed a few different ways from the vehicle. First, if you're outside the vehicle, you must lock the vehicle, do the remote start function, and then this will enable the remote smart parking assist from the outside. So once the vehicle is started and you're standing within approximately 13 feet of the vehicle, you can simply hold down the forward or reverse buttons until the car is at its desired spot, and you can simply release the button and this will stop the car exactly where it is. Now if you're fine leaving the car where it is, you can go ahead and shut the vehicle off by holding down the remote start button again. This will shut the vehicle down and you can go ahead and lock it and leave it where it is set. Now if you're pulling up to a tight parking spot and would like to use the parking assist button on the key fob, you can simply press the button on the center console. The car will allow you to step outside the vehicle with the key fob, and then you can access the remote smart parking assist again, holding down the forward or reverse button until the car is in the spot you'd like. Now the vehicle has sensors both front and rear that will stop the vehicle from hitting an object or a person standing in its path. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful and or entertaining in case you guys are just learning about the Hyundai Remote Smart Parking Assist. Now it is pretty neat. You can control the vehicle from the outside with the key fob. Granted, you have to be within a very short distance of the vehicle. And it is sort of a party trick feature, if you will, but it is also very helpful in case you are in that one situation where for some reason your driver door gets blocked and you can't access your vehicle. You can simply start it up from the key fob, pull it out or into the parking space from which you're at, and get in and be on your way. So it is definitely a gimmicky feature, but it is also very helpful in those certain situations. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or suggestions on future video topics, please leave that all in the comment section below. I definitely read every single one of them. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future videos. There are a couple other videos currently on the channel, so make sure to check those out if you guys are new. With all that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video.